On a serene morning, a curious cat meandered through an ancient village, its eyes catching the glint of something extraordinary. Perched elegantly on an old stone wall was a majestic stork, rumored to have been in this village for centuries, a symbol of resilience and wisdom. The cat, usually playful, found itself mesmerized by the bird's poised demeanor. As it crept closer, the villagers watched in awe, aware of the rare interaction unfolding. The stork met the cat's gaze with gentle eyes, and in that moment, the cat learned a profound lesson about timelessness and grace. As the cat sauntered away with a renewed perspective, the villagers felt a harmonious connection, reminded of the tales they grew up hearing, now witnessed in real life.